So this Compact 45 has been fully winterized. We didn't have the water hookup, of course, so we ran out of the windshield wiper fluid that was put in there, went empty, so that pressure went down, which is normal. Temperature went up right away. It was just unbelievable temperature. Suction, did you see my hand? It was all I could do to pull my hand out of that inlet to that filter box. That's how powerful this PD Gardner Denver blower is, and the fact that we're using straight pipe convention. We're not using reduced pipe. We're using the full convention in which this Gardner Denver was designed to have, 2.5. So look at the way my hand pulled in. I mean, this thing has got a lot of suction and go easily 450 feet. So it's already been winterized. We pushed all the fluid through the coil system of the heat exchanger as well as all the associated hoses and fittings. It is ready to be built up and palletized fully. It's already palletized, but we're going to put shrink wrap around it and get it all ready for ship. It's all safe to ship, even in freezing weather. So we just did a winterization anti-freeze procedure for the MrBlueBaron truck mount Compact 45. This is February 2023. It's still kind of cold in a lot of these states, so don't want to take any chances. We do things right here at MrBlueBaron. Call us at 727-505-2989 or go on the Truck Mount store 24/7. Thank you.